Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kakinhuan jong kinongnya kali ka Riboy District hapok Kshatri jong Joint Action Committee of All Riboy Passenger Vehicles. Manda kasi ilalit bantur kansan sa Office o Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy. Ban penpaw ya kajing bitar sila halor kajing pensateng ka sorkar ban siudap ya kabay kali kabagi day hok banyo. Ha kabaya day kajing let duty election patru ha por link shop jong kaklam COVID kat kanday. Kumansyapan kan mau biang na kaliang ke GAC, ARBPV, kakanhun kabakantop ya kaseng jong kinong niya sumo, nong niya bus, pick up, bat kiwedi ki kali kamay jong kathan Riboy. Kiladap ruban mi pajba ka kanri tarig jong banay jamang, ban penpaw ya kajing semua bitar, halor kajing pensateng ban siyo ya katika pisa kabaki day hok banyo. Ha katika por na kaliang ke GAC, ARBPV, kiladap ruban ay kador kasyo Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy, wa arped upadaya, Bandawa ba uday ban siyam kiamardor ban siudap no yang ketika pisa kabagi dehok ban yo. Haga teka por udisi Riboy lapan por kumbak hatsan hadu arpos ngi. Ban pen urlong yang ketika jingdawa ke jongki handai posi mentala shibnai tamru ketika jingkular kasusakut tangha ke jingkular bat klempoi syai. Kabalan nang penbitar syuk yaki kum kinongnya kali kamai. Da kabakudaw bakani ke jing pensateng bat penslam ban siudap yang ketika pisa kabagi dehok ban yo. Kabut jing sikat day ya kayeng kesam ke jom kinongnya. Bat kitrai kali kamay ru kumjo.
Yang jom kinong yo dukan mo kantin haka ni ka election ni don ko bakan artli ki kantin ki bangi ai penbiang ka bam gadi nak benta ki ba don di election ten re ka basusi ka long bahadu menta ngidang yo ya ka pisatang san po hajar hau banai Januari hari hadu menta ngi klem yo ngilawan bani kendu la arsin laisin ngilaiwan larang tangil ai ke jing toru hau banai April sai DC te hang taru ilong ingi ai por arteo tingil ap tenri kamlong kam kataru tingilawan biang ngilan ai biang ke jing to sakoi pet chau CEO chau DC bat kumjuru sabaro ki MLA jong Riboy bakin penkiran lem nak bentai jungi namar babun mengi ginong bu dukan ngi sak be ram mo hakinong ai rosion ki ba ai do yang ngi ki ba ai ki jing don kam jungi ki ba dapat bangin siu ka bainong trei unju te Henry kata ke jing ai jungi kata kopi so CEO ro mentangi tip yo kubor tip kalong kumno ka yai kumno ru jadi kata te nakaliang jungi na kata kadaw mentakas ngi tip kawan ke JC te nakaliang jungi ru kumki nong bu kantin ngiawan ban ya support lang nakabenta bang ikip padio tip kalong lala ka jong gidukan mo kidon gidukan kiba poi san ko tam don gidukan kiba poi arko lai po don kiba poi di kiko don poi di kikat punta lala ka jong mo limini di city ong ba ai por katsan sngi tengi hap up ya kata katsan sngi tela da kata katsan sngi la da kam siso tengi banse ba mangir ingin ya join lang bakani ke JC bangin penpawi ke jinga ki nak benta bagin dawai ke nika opportunity
Hadir bakat tu kan ni kenta jong kate ke jingtor kiti ginong ya kali kamay nakaliang udisi ke Riboy lapan por biang so kumbakat san sngi ban sim kia ban pen urlong kate ke jingdawa ke jong ke kenhon kinong ya kali bat nakaliang ke kenhon jong kite ginong ya kali ru kila pediang ya kate ke jingpan por udisi Riboy haringkat ki kendoan bahha kani ke kenti kam day shu man sakut tahang ki jingkular henrep Deban pen urlong tikna kumbala kular.
So what we are trying to do is right now, within 15 days, we'll clear some of the payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible. Okay. So
all the payments COVID-19 under this election.
COVID-19 and Republic Day Independence Act will be done.
So we want that all the dues must
Those
be
will
cleared.
be done. Those will also be done 15 days. And the election payments also partially we will try to do within 15 days only. Will be done. Remaining payments will be done.
Suppose if within 15 days you won't receive, then what is the assurance from your side?
I'm giving you no assurance.
Suppose
Already
15
discussed
days.
with CEOs and Chief Secretary, sir. I don't think all of them are already aware of the issue. So they will clear some of your payments.
Some, not all.
Ma'am, it will take some time. And within 15 days, we'll clear your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
This is our request. If it is possible, sir, just talk with the CEO or the Chief Secretary that clear all the bills.
I'm having a meeting with them.
All the bills once in the
Not just
because,
the bills, sir. We're not
15
going to
days
accept
will
that.
wait, then some of the bills will
15 days, then again another bill.
again.
We won't accept that. sir.
No, it will be done as soon as possible.
Jai Chua Baro, Katsan Singing in Am, Lada Hapo, Katsan Singing in Mio, in Simpat the Koi Karai, the Maraner, Kamboni, Sang Happy but Am, the Yap but Happy. Katsan Singing in Am, Lada Hapo, Katsan Singing, in Mio, in Simpat the Kiwi Pakilat in Yaki. Karena kalau ke berjajah, min selek tak kawai.
Then unta Winston Maong bakat nanti unklir kat bala ada hadir kat satu sampai unta.
Orang mau kita clear ni kajing dawa cungi kadai ban, clear lut ekabil kacungi. Min aksan singi ngin a, nilai Asia katus ni, pengen Asia aksan singi, ladangin bio aku aksan singi, ngin sasimpat kaki boy pakilat singi ki kampungnya. But COVID-19, what dependence, but the so capang ka jingthok di ang dengkam kuslai ini media kita nane ka proof ka dan dengkam ke karitan kan
Unklir saya kata bakat nanti unklir baru
untuk kacang sini nak kalian ngejengking ingin buram ya katang tempat jadi kalau bodak ini suatu gajing kacang sini kita orang tu nyehat kata kacang sini they want in 15 days all the dues must be clear.
Within 15 days, we'll try to clear as much as possible.
Because you are not satisfied. If you said you will try, then
No, 15 days we will give you some partially payment as much as possible. Remaining payments will take a little bit more time. See, I've already told you this
they are not happy now.
the whole process that should be followed up. Government process.
We are giving enough time.
We will receive the assurance from CEO Secretary Please humbly request you, do not disturb the public office. People are coming here to get things wrong. So I have given you an assurance. I understand your problem, but I have given you assurance that within 15 days we will try to clear payment partially. After that, also we will clear. Everyone is in the loop. Everyone knows. Everyone is aware of the issue. Okay, and they will clear your payments. I'm just asking you for 15 days. Within 15 days, this is my assurance. They will clear your payments partially. Remaining payment will be done immediately soon after that. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So now I humbly appeal all of you, kindly do not disturb the office. It's a public office. 15 days of time I'm asking from you. Kindly, please, it's an humble appeal. People come to this office from a long, cover a lot of distance, spend a lot for their work to be done in the DC office. Okay, this is not the right way.
We
You have to
That's for 1 day, sir.
All our
That's for 1
drivers,
day.
so they are coming from a very long way.
Yes, I understand.
That's for 1 day.
Yeah, I understand. But this
They
is
have
what
lost just to stop our
Yes,
vehicles.
I
One day
know.
also it's a
I
great
know.
loss.
I know this. I'm asking you for 15 days and clear your payments partially in 15 days. I have got this assurance from the CEO here, from Chief Secretary sir. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. The whole process of the funds and all that I've already explained to you.
Okay, so you will try from your side to clear all the bills.
All the bills, sir. Within 15 days, clear all the
CEO
bills.
also.
Then you keep
They
quiet.
won't clear, then they must take
Because
full responsibility if something will happen. Because we also want to say it clearly in front of the people. So let also they will know.
I'm having a meeting with both of them tomorrow. We discuss in detail. In 15 days we'll clear some of the payments. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
As soon as when we do know, sir.
Now please I request you, kindly
No, we
this
will not
office
accept
function
that.
properly.
Okay, we will not accept that one. If you clear within 15 days, then only. Otherwise, some will get, some don't get, then for them, then you will be keep quiet again. Another 15 days, 1 month.
If you clear the bill partially, also make sure that all the vehicles will get. Sure, all the vehicles. Because if one vehicle will get, another they will not get, then they will create an issue.
I try to raise up
Make
for
sure
other department also.
that all the vehicles, according to the list of requisition, all the vehicles gets regulations.
Habakran Chikila Patay Kubor, Hadian Katega Jinakaran ODC Riboy, Vincent Sokwai, General Secretary Jonka GAC, AR BPV, Ulang Bawat Ladang GAC, Kalapdiang Yakatega Jingpan Por, ODC Riboy, Henday Kom Kakanun Jukinong Yakali Kamai Riboy, ula bertenru balada kate gejing kular kam urlong. Nakalang GAC AR BPV kan syem sendan da gejing ki ka bating Bagi bor penya district ki deban syem ka jingkat clear lada mi ke gejing ja ka basngosi. Ha ka ju por ong ru balada kan yai long ha kani ka rukom kakan ho ju ginong nya kali le si ki haban sange no banai gejing trelang ka sarkar khamtam. Manom tre bania dan bentashu hakinu inu gijing dan kam jong ka sarkar nang ni syakman bagan thop ru ya ka election MDC ka ban salong kini ki khendat snem ki ban sawan.
Nilasangnya ya kamai kaji baro ikali kejungi layawan ban penpau ya kadak jong kejing sokia kejungi angne pelau jong udisi kajingwan kejungi bangi pep ya kamai kaji kalong halor kejing bomyo ya ka bil kejungi kata nadu ka bil COVID-19 kumjuru ka bil jong election MLA badang sudapshan na kapor sa kapor na kaliang ka JAC nilayawan banya kenduk ya audisi banpan banya bandawa ya kahok kabangi day banyo henry na kaliang audisi usu aipor panpor si panpor badu aipor bu tanggi jingkular henry hadu kini kisni ngimyo ya kata kabil ka badangsa day halor kanya daga jing susi bata jing Sukia, bentar kesni, selesai jisin, ngilawan. Lengba kajing sange, ikali kamai jungi baro, benwan ya kenduk, ben ya keren ya audisi, namar kepor ke bau ai kalakut. Bentar kesni, ngilayo ben ya keren, bat audisi, ba kadau ayu, ba penslam, ya kapisa ke badangsa, bat balai, klam burom ya kepor ke ba ngila ai. Nah kaliang audisi, ulayatu yangi ba kapisa kamsyong dang kabor ka jong namar kapisa wahaban penlaj CEO nate na po slong ngila keliru yo ya kadau mano ban bakli lane mano ba penslam ya kata kapisa rek ka jubab ka bang yo na kalong ba kadai na CEO kana kaliang audisi ula ya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ban yatai halor kane ka benta ka bangi ki driver ngi kendo tenda ladep ya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ong ba unsa penlaj no kloi kat bala ya ka pisa ka badangsa tena kaliang ka jungi ngila dawa ya bangi muhun ya ka por ka ba lane ya kata ka jingi keren ka ba uai henry udai ban pen ai ngi ka por ka ba tikna ba hadu kan nos ngi kan simpor ya kata ka pisa ban penlaj ka jing bamun ka jungi ane ka jing yai dawa ka jungi na kaliang audisi ulai por biang menta ka sngi nadu kane ka sngi hadu khatsan sngi ba un penlaj lot ya ka pisa kata ka pisa ka bil COVID-19 kumjuru ka bil jongu election usnam arajar apply de na kaliang ka jungi nila menjur ya kata kapor ke bau ai khatsan sngi bat ngin ap sitom kumang ya baru si kata ngin ap sitom sa khatsan sngi bat ngiru na kaliang ke jungi ngila krensai balada hapo khatsan sngi samenta ka kenti umperlai takamut ka JAC kan sasim da ka sinjam ka bakam teng ya bat ngin penbena da kilat jing ki bakam teng ya bat ngila kren lu lada ngin ya ka jing ki ka bateng ya ka jing bakali hapsim hi ka district administration na kaliang ka jungi ngin amsim ka jing bakali henry ka district administration ka hap bansim ka jing bakali we try kali ka chong ka kum ka duty kumba men hakiner ngila deb yatu don ki kali ki bangat lai tayo don ki kali ki bangat sibnai don ki kali ki bangat si laisngi don ki basa lai pawajar don ki basa san pawajar don ki basa dakilang namar kabil ka bisa ba kambun ka dei jongu COVID-19 nomor kabilang tu dah kilak nisa kata ka ba bu yang ni pedang kajing ya namar kum ki babu i kali kamai ni haban renew ya kikot kisla ki jongi tengi kermen ba lada yo kabil menakane ban renew andre kabil ngimyo ngila susim da karam kasya nemban penim ikot kisla kali ki jongi te endang ngila yo kabil ngin sasiu pat na kita ki beriu ki bangi simram andre ka jing penslam banyo kabil kabu jing ya yangi ngila cha da gram na kita ki beriu ki bala ai pisa yangi kata kata ka jing ya ka bangi kudu